right, is this going through? Okay. Cool. Okay, so so today goodness. Okay, back now. Yeah, so today I wanted to go over some of the vulnerabilities on here. So with Java, there's this wonderful vulnerability called log4j. And so I am going to attempt to patch for it. Granted, I do not necessarily have the knowledge to come up with the patch myself. Luckily, the materials for said patch are available readily. And so here's an example of some code. I found it on GitHub. It's actually pretty cool. So all of this is Java code, and it's to patch said vulnerability. Now I'm gonna be using. I think he has it in here. So this is actually a Minecraft server, but mine's a lot different than this. So he has it checking. So he basically is just checking to see what version, and then based on the version, he's going to be like, okay, cool. Here's some, I guess, basically some log stuff. So it's going to spit this out for information for the user, and then it's going to initiate a function called log4j mitigation. It's going to pass in the string. And where does he have that function located? I'm kind of curious. Let's see right here. It's kind of cool. Okay, let's see. Oh no, sorry. He's not passing it into a function. He's setting a variable. So he's setting a variable here, log4j mitigation, and then he goes from there and let's see here. Interesting. Yeah, so it's actually pretty simple. It looks like Java. Let's see. Now I'm kind of curious where he uses this variable. This would be kind of a cool look into this. Oops. Goodness. There we go. Keep doing this. Okay. So let's see where he uses this. So I think he's setting a variable to be used later in a different function. I do believe. I mean that's what he's using. Let's see where he uses it. This is actually kind of curious. I actually think that whatever he's doing here. Actually, let's do this. Log4j. So identify, so right here is actually a function call, and that's just going to identify this. So actually, I think that interesting. So yeah, it's just like, okay, hey, if this is, it's so that he does some formatting here. He does some formatting with grep. I did this earlier. This is actually really cool. I think these are variables. Interesting. Okay, yeah. Here's that. So yeah, he's calling that function patch for log4j. I do believe so. I think these variables that he's setting, what I think is happening is that they are being referenced by. I think what it's being referenced by Java. It's being referenced by that. Um, to start CMD to start command. Okay, yeah, I think so. Basically, yeah, okay, this is what's going on. Okay, so he is. Oh, okay, yeah, that's what's happening. So he's setting this variable, and it's later referenced at some point. I think this is actually referenced by Java itself or the programs that are running it. And so then what happens is that, okay, hey, this is the path to the configuration file for Java, the log4j utility, and so the configuration file is right here. So what that means is that Java is now going to run on this configuration, and instead of the original one, which has the massive vulnerability, which is actually kind of cool. So what they were able to do, so this is actually kind of cool. So here we go. Java 8 and the earlier versions. Okay. So this is actually kind of cool. So log4j is so this is the article talking about it. So from my understanding of what this essentially does is that you can push over into the shell of the machine. And so what's really interesting is that so bash executes. So yeah, so what they're doing, so they're sending malicious payloads over into the operating system, and then it operates it basically operates some malware or a backdoor, opens a backdoor for users to then to get access to the machine. It's really cool, but really bad. Which is really crazy. It's actually absurd that such a simple, and it's usually how this goes, is that just such a simple configuration change, it's just it's 29 lines of code, and that's all that is necessary for this to be patched. So yeah, so that's what I'm gonna start working on. I'm going to. It's honestly, this should be a pretty easy. Okay, here we go. So I forgot I had this up. So they can control log messages or message parameters, can execute arbitrary code loaded from the servers. So the log files execute code. The code then does things. You can gain access to the current to the terminal. You can get access to the OS interface, and basically is so bad that it's considered a 10 out of 10 on the vulnerability CVE score. So that's really interesting. But anyways, okay, so now how do I patch that for this? Now, realistically, this doesn't. It does matter because this was actually initially found on Minecraft servers, so people could push over into my host machine. So if I had this container hosted on this machine, they could take advantage and install malicious software on my Windows box instead of just on the Docker container, and which is really bad. Well, actually, I don't know if it pushes clear. Actually, I don't know if it would push clear into the OS. It would definitely. So the thing is, though, if I can get into the kernel of, for example, in my container Alpine, what that would do is they could sit there and manipulate the box until they could actually create a vulnerability to where the container could then be compromised, and you could push it over into the system shell, which would be really bad. So we are going to look into how to patch for that, which will be very fun. This will be my first security endeavor, I guess you could call it. So yeah, let's see how this goes. All right, so we're going to do a function. Well, actually, do I wait? Do I need a patch for log4j on my version? Hold on. Actually, I don't even know what version. So, oops, AT launcher. If I do a test on my server, I'm pretty sure it comes up as. So this is built on. Actually, let's find this out. I'm gonna Google this real fast. I'll find out what's going on here. So, what version of Minecraft is all the mods 9 built on? It's all a learning process. So this is my first ever time doing this. So let's see what is this? It's not 120, is it? Oh wait, maybe I don't. Does Minecraft 1.20 is one? Let's do this. Is Minecraft log4j? So it looks like it looks like I might be fine. So let's find out. Here we go. Oh, okay. Yep, so this is actually that. Okay, this is cool. This is cool. So this is exactly what that guy had in his. Oh, this is so cool. Wow, okay. So this is actually really neat. So this is exactly what that guy had patched in there. So this is actually really cool to see. Did I close my chat window? I didn't. We're good. This is neat. Okay. So upgrade. So okay. So add the following JVM arguments to your start command line. So no lookups true, and then for any version before that, it's going to be actually uh, XML. So I feel like I should have this in here anyways. Mm, I mean, the reality is that I don't need this, right? And because I didn't realize, so this server actually runs 1.20. Usually, so the background of why I didn't think, or I do think I need to do this is because usually modded Minecraft servers run 1.12. So, um, what's kind of interesting is, oh wow, this is so cool. Anyways, I'm just reading through this. Yeah, anyways. So yeah, usually modern Minecraft servers run 1.12, which is super old. But this mod pack is so new that I don't actually need a patch for the vulnerability, which kind of sucks. I mean, it's a pretty simple patch. I mean, I'm sure if I download, yeah, right. This is this is the patch. This is all you have to do. But it's actually really cool because the format message no lookups equals true. That's just that is even more simple for 1.17, for example. Wow. Okay, that's really interesting. So I was actually correct in my assumption when I was looking at this guy's code. And so it's a JVM argument, right? So this is so what he is doing is he's changing JVM arguments here. And Java will then reference that later. It's actually really neat. Okay, that's cool. I want to check out the Docker file, see what he has here. He actually has this as an environment variable. He sets this environment variable just off the bat. That is actually really cool. Actually, I'll probably do this just to be safe. So even though I'm up to date on, yeah, okay, same vulnerability. Even though I'm up to date, I mean, why not use this in my Docker file? I mean, I'm just going to. So we're going to go ahead and just add that in. I mean, it's the same thing that we saw, right, on Minecraft, Microsoft's, but Minecraft's web page is right here. This is the environment variable that he set up. So I'm going to put that in my Docker file here. And so I don't want to run anything. Okay. Don't want to run anything. We're going to go ahead and put this over here. And we are going to put in an environment variable. So should probably do, no, yeah. I'll just do this. So we're going to do env. And then it's literally just going to be that thing I copied from that website, from Minecraft's website. And so I can just comment that in, and I guess I actually never commented this code, so I might as well do that. So we're going to do the startup script for Docker container. I should probably comment all this code just to be safe. Okay, so like give execute perms for any script in the SRV directory. And then we'll do or into image. Okay. Well, that's actually kind of anticlimactic, but that's fine. Cool. Well, you learn something new every day. So just learned how you patch for that vulnerability, and you just use in Linux. It's really easy. You use some variables, and so you just change the links or the JVM argument. You change the JVM argument, so it's like, okay, hey, Java's like, I'm gonna do this thing, and you are basically just telling it, hey, great, but use this instead. And so it uses the patched configuration files. That's pretty neat. Okay, I'm going to edit my stream title really fast because that was a quick fix. I wish it was harder. And creating backup function. Oop. CTION. So, all right, updated the stream title. There we go. Great. So, now, what I am going to do is get started on this. So, we're going to create a function. We're going to call it backup. So we're going to do create backup function. I just realized I did not comment any of these functions. Create backup function for user. So, okay, the thing is though, all right, we're going to write down some stuff here. We're going to go ask user if they want world backups in the first place. Should I do either 1 or 0? Or no? I think I'm just gonna do 1 or 0 for true or false. That'll be easiest for me. And then I'm going to also say, and then also have values for backup intervals. These are all passed in through on container creation. Okay, so this is going to be fun. All right, so when I have the, okay, I think I have the files here. I do. No, I don't. Yes, I do. Okay, great. So when I have the files here, there are a few things that I want to back up. So I want to, and also where do I want to store the backup at? That's the other question. Okay. That's the other question is where do I want to store the backups? Is this oh right, this is a really old version of my server. I'm just gonna toss it. I don't need that anymore. When I was trying to learn how to do GitHub, I was making sure I didn't demolish everything I was working on when I was pushing it up to GitHub. Okay. Let's do, I'm just Googling something real fast. Let's do this here. Actually, I want to get some, yeah, I need to, hold on. Pull up Brave so I don't have to deal with the ads. So you don't have to listen to my voice the whole time. Okay, great. So, that's too loud. Is that better? Yeah. Okay. I just want to make sure it's not overwhelming my voice. Is that better? Maybe? No, it's the same. Might have been too loud the whole entire last stream. Oh well. Let's do. How do I want to do this? I'm trying to think here. Maybe I should, for the sake of, you know what? Yeah. We're going to create a whole new, script here. Let's move it for this, for my sanity. Oh, it's not going to, right? All right, shebang. Shebang. Did I run? Oh, right. This is sh because it has I don't have bash installed yet. I did as when that on that runtime. Okay. Okay. See, I'm trying to think. I'm trying to think how I want to do this here. Do I want to have... Do I want to do automated backups? Okay. Well, let's see here. Okay. How do I want to... This is a lot of logs. How do I want to do this? Let's do... I'm kind of curious here. So we're going to do some Googling. So... Shell script... Let's do how to attach a screen for logs on a Docker container. This isn't really what I want, though. See, like, this is what I want. This is actually quite... This is actually quite difficult. What I want to do is actually kind of difficult. Alright, I'm gonna use this guy's thing as an inspiration here. So he has a purge, a web. Okay, this is cool. Gaudy, interesting. This is kind of cool, actually. So, right screen. Huh. This is kind of cool. Okay. So when does he create the screen for it? That's my question. So if I could probably search this. So let's search this. Create logs subfolder to store output from console. That's kind of cool. Run screen attached to Minecraft. Daemonized and non-blocking. Allow users to run command in console. Oh, this is cool. Okay, so this is how this guy handles it. This is actually really smart. This is really cool. So set X, set tac X. I wonder what that does. Let's find out. Let's just Google. What does set tac X do in bash? Well, I can also just do this. Once it starts. Here we go. Goodness, what did I just do? Oh, it's a bash command. Okay, so it's that's cool. You could really screw up your you could really screw this thing up if you really wanted to, man. Okay. Huh. Startup CMD item in that array. That's really cool. So, what we are going to do here, we are going to play the game. Hold on, I gotta clear my throat. Okay. This is actually really cool. I wonder how he does this. I wonder how it works is actually my real question. I guess I could test this out in on a script. Okay, yeah, this is Yeah, that's that. Okay, that's fine. Now we are going to do. We're gonna do another script here. Yeah, we'll save all. We are going to learn how to attach different running scripts to a container. So yeah, okay. This is all of this code. I don't need it right now. I will rename this and make it screen.sh, and then we'll have this. Let's just get rid of this. I don't really need it anymore. Okay. I need my Ubuntu window. Do I have everything? Sometimes I demolish things. Okay, and we're just gonna get rid of this. I don't want to do that. There we go. And then, yep, okay, that's still there, and that's clear. Good, 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 good. I forgot, I just needed to go to the home directory. Alright, so we're actually going to run just like a really basic instance of... Ooh, will this... Yeah, it should work. Maybe. What's... Actually, I gotta look up what Gotti is. What is Gotti? What is Gotti? Cool. That is nice. I like this. This is simple and it's not over-engineered like Engine. I just don't need Nginx. Wow. Wow, that is so cool. Okay, do I have it installed? Okay. It's Gotti, right? G-O-T-T-Y. Where did I put that? Dude, this is so sick. Anyways, so we're gonna go to... Actually, I just want to make sure I'm spelling it right. There we go. Is this correct? There has to be, I mean, there's got to be a, it's not in the repository? Is it really not? Interesting. That's funny. Okay. We just install it. Installation. Oh yeah, here we go. Homebrew. This is actually really cool. So it looks like you can set passwords. And then make it, yeah. I mean, I could just do brew, right? Okay, yeah, that's what I thought. Is that where I want to be? Let's find out what version he's on. Retro. That's like super old. What the heck? Oh, wait. Well, it is the latest release. That is the tag. I don't know. Oh, this is alpha. This is an alpha release. Okay, cool. So it works now. Nice and that was nice and quick, like that. All right, cool. Let's learn how to use Gaudi. Oh yeah, and then I also want to grab. I need a Mozilla window. We'll download a Minecraft server here. Is there a way that I can like do Minecraft server from this website, or do I have to dig around the website for 10 years? Hello? Okay. Minecraft server download. Cool. No GUI. Copy link. Actually, that's gonna be such a pain to. I don't feel like to. Okay, there we go. Fine. And then I have to create a script that I always struggle with these like little scripts that run it, but actually it's really funny is that I should be able to just do it. That's actually really funny. Okay, let's see what happens. Watch. I'm just gonna do touch. Uh-oh. Wait. Wait a second. Where did the jar file go? Oh, goodness gracious. think I can do find, right? And then it, yeah, right. Okay. Did it just like disappear? Well, that's funny. It's running through. It's trying to run through the C drive now. That's where all my C stuff is for my Windows machine. That's actually really funny. How do I exclude a folder with find? How to exclude a folder with find. Weird. Well, I guess I just deleted it somehow. Weird. So strange. I'm glad I know how to use find and grep now, because that's pretty dope. Did I not know? Did I not move? Wait. Well, there. What? Why is it hidden? Oh yeah, I just downloaded it. I'm an idiot. Goodness, I'm just gonna stop. I should retire. Two. Okay. Good, it's in there. I don't know what I did. I'm actually really kind of curious. So we're just gonna start this up with like. Or whatever it is. Give it write permissions. Rip. I couldn't do a no look. Couldn't slam dunk with the no look, man. I'm not good enough yet. Alright, let's look. Okay, I'm gonna look at this in VS Code. I thought I could be cool. Oops. Let's do it here. Not here. Here. No, no, I didn't mean to do it there. Because I just wanted to look at this. So when does it start it? Here. Okay, Forge not installed. Running Forge installer. Server properties. All true. Right. This is okay, that's fine. Let's do. There we go. Oh, right. So this is the line that's executing. It goes Java, and then pew, the rest. Okay, that's why that didn't work. Should have realized that. Now, let's see what happens. Unable to access. Oh, right. I have to rename it. It's server.jar. Cool. Oh no! I need to accept the EULA. Can I write? Yeah. I just want to get this thing started up. Let's see what happens. It should take like a very short amount of time. Awesome. And then here I can do like op. Yeah, right, okay. And I can stop the server. It should return me. Cool. Alright. Easy enough. Can I create like another desktop without any like icons on it? Can I do that? Never mind. Guess not. They'll always exist. So now for the fun part. Alright, so now I have Gotti installed. So I should be able to attach a screen. Now, how do I do that? Let's refer to this guy. So he attaches a screen to that. That's interesting. But I want to attach a screen to I want to personally attach a screen to the startup CMD. So screen-s Minecraft. I think it's really simple. So oh, okay. Yeah. All right. That's fine. Music isn't playing. There it goes. Oh, it is. It's just super quiet. Do you have like non-epic lo-fi music? Royalty-free lo-fi. There we go. So interesting. So he doesn't have like that used here, but oh yeah, it's right here. Interesting. So you can actually attach it. So wait, I can run something inside of a screen. So wait, that's what he did here, right? He did a screen and then Actually, I'm gonna put this in ChatGPT so I can, because I don't know the syntax, and so this would be a really useful tool. So what does this code do? Okay. Yeah, I know that, but I should probably remove the comments, but so what does this line do specifically? Yep, I know that. Name of the screen, yep. It is the option that specifies the window number or name. 0, cool. Sends a command to the running screen. Okay. This subcommand of screen injects input into the screen session. Really? It's named that. No way. Oh. Okay. Oh, I didn't want to do that. Oh, it's that's funny. Stuff a string in the input buffer of a window. It's literally stuffing. It's pushing it in. Okay. Yeah. I already know this. The syntax of screen is what I'm really looking for. That's really interesting. So what this means, and it's stuffing the command startup item. Oh, okay, so I should be able to actually do this like pretty easily. So screen -s capital S Minecraft -p 0 -x stuff the what is it? Oh, give me a second. So, do I have screen installed? I do. Oh. Uh-oh, I have like 30,000 screens now. How do you list screens again? Screen's kind of a beast. I remember when I first learned it. Isn't that Control AX? Okay. Oops. Whatever. It is fine. So, okay, so knowing what I know, I can go screen tech S, and I'm going to name it Minecraft. And then I'm going to give it a number 0, this, and then I'm going to, 0, and then do tac X. So execute, and stuff the executable onto the executable stuff onto that screen. And that thing is going to be, I did it again. Let's just like copy all of this. It don't matter. I just need this so I can make sure I don't mess this up. I'll spare you all the details. Yeah. Oh, do I have to start the screen session first? Is that something that I forgot about? Weird. I mean, talk about a line of code, geesh. So do I need tech L? Okay. What does this? Oh, I did not. Oops. Sorry. I had to figure it out. It took a second. Oh, I need to do detached. Man, this is actually really complicated. Huh. This screen is tough. What in the world? Now, maybe? And then I think I just run so if I do screen, Did it just push? It didn't. That. Yeah, that's everything right there. Huh. How does this work? Oh. So, dash C. Ampersand. So what he is essentially doing oh. This is actually kind of difficult. Okay, I see. And oh. Oh, I got it. I figured it out. Okay, so the dash C is it's like bash and then do dash C and then it runs those commands in consecutive order. I'm a genius. I figured it out with the help of this guy. So then, how do you use Gotti? Let's do this. Okay, let's do port 4098. So he has his title format thing. It's kind of weird. Actually, the GitHub has it pretty good. I can just keep it pretty simple. And I point it towards the screen. Is that correct? permit. Okay. So I can do permit right. It'd be so cool if it worked. Aw. Oh, yeah, of course that's not going to work. I'm so stupid. I could probably just do localhost as well. No way, dude. This is so cool. Okay, so now now I have to put all of that into a script. That isn't that bad though. That is so cool. So what happens if I stop? Session closed. That's so cool. So that is how. Oh, okay, yes, the running Gaudi. That is so sick, dude. Let's see here. Let's see. So cool. That is so sick. That is so cool. Okay, cool. So we're gonna go into the scripts. Well, okay. Neat. Now how do I, yeah. How to kill green session. I thought that you could do ls. Oh, cool. And then when the thing dies, the screen also detaches from it. Oh. I have to type out the whole thing, bro. What do you mean? Okay, Control A. Control A plus K and then Y. Yeah, it doesn't. Dumb. Just killed the process. Oh. Oh, that's funny. Yeah, alright, so P-kill, screen, end it all. That's funny. Okay, I mean, that works. I mean, it is, in fact, more straightforward and less dumb. For reference, I'll have here, I'll create a function called just for this. Okay, get rid of this. Function screen. Function make screen. What's the syntax again? Shoot. It's like, yeah, this, and yeah, okay. It's literally just this command, so. Goodness me, give me a second. 1 second. Okay, I am back. So we're just gonna run screen. Actually, I actually think interesting. Okay, nice. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. And then I have to do Gouty. And then I have to do Gouty. I'll do like credentials later, but what did I type in here? It's like right here. Hey, where you at? Sit. My dog's right here. Sit down. Stay. That should be it. So then if I go in here, if I do what? Dang it, I didn't run. I think it's right here. I need to. I don't know what's going on. Oh, I'm not calling the functions. Now it should go. Oh, that's funny. It picks it up from VS Code. Let's go. This is actually pretty cool. So then when I hit stop, this will end. Wait, I bet you $100 that Unraid uses that. No, they don't. They don't. I want to show my friends this really cool thing. Cool. So now I just have to implement this into my I just have to implement this into the server, which actually should be really easy. All I have to do is the only thing I have to do is basically, I mean, I could just move this in. Oh, that would be so sick. And then I can have logging also. This is actually super helpful because this helps me get started in the logging section of it. I might even just, yeah. Ooh, okay. That might actually do that. See, he has like he has his different ports here, so he has like port 82. Okay, so he has it actually sharing this port, which is interesting. Screw it. 8222. I'll do it. Yeah, I'll do it. I swear I'll do it. Let me update this code here to change so it you know, does the thing. All right. I think you're here. All right. So this is really cool. Before I move stuff over, this is really neat. So I have this. I figured out. So screen is a lot. It's a lot to figure out. I had to reference this guy's like vanilla server in order for me to kind of build it. Just because like I just don't know. I don't know how to use it. I don't know how to use the stuff, and I'm learning by example, and it's super helpful. So, really cool. So, I figured out that, okay, cool. So I can run a screen, and with the screen, you can run it in detached mode, so I don't immediately attach to it. And then I say, hey, we're gonna name it Minecraft, and then I'm gonna execute. I want to do M, so I think that's like execute bash. So then bash it takes tech C, and then for like I think ChatGPT, I had ChatGPT explain it to me, but it was really sick, and it causes so tech C executes bash commands. Anyways, okay, yeah, and then so that runs and it throws it all together. This is actually super sick. So I think wow, okay, this was like really easy to implement. What the heck? So then how I can implement, okay, let me update this code. I'm gonna see if I can get this to work here. Updated code. There it goes. debug. So I should just be able to do function make screen. Okay, well, let's see what happens. This will be really cool. It's gonna be an early implementation of it, but it should be in. And then the it'll be named. I think that'll work. Oops. Attach. And then we'll do port. All right. I'm kind of curious. Oh man, this is gonna be really interesting. It stopped playing music again. There we go. Nice. Okay. Let's see. No way. Is it actually working? No shot. Dude. No way. That was that easy to implement? I mean, I have to, finish it up and everything, but dude. I don't know how to hide that. I mean, I'm sure I could figure it out, but it's honestly really not a big deal. Alright, well, I'm kind of curious. I kind of want to see this. It's so cool. So cool. It's walking. It's walking. So if I ran this on a Docker container, it actually should just run. Oh, this is so exciting. I actually thought this was going to be a huge pain to implement. No, but the logs, that'll be, I don't know, that's a beast. That's going to be a beast. So now with the way this is set up, if I click stop, I should just restart again. I think it already did. Wait. No, can I? I don't know. I don't know. I'm not going to mess with it. I'll mess with that later. This is so sick. Alright, well. I honestly did not think I'd make it this far today, and I made it very far. Wow. This is awesome. Cool. All right. Well, honestly, I think this is a great place to. It's so sick. No way. All right. Well, wow. And I should be able to just like op and everything. Yeah. No way. Oh, this is so cool. I'll do the passwords and stuff tomorrow, but I gotta get ready for the gym. Wow. Okay. This is awesome. All right, I'm gonna end the stream there. Wow, really, really great, really productive. Anyways, all right.